हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम अपनी जीके क्लास की नेक्स्ट वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। और आज हम जो जीके करंट जीके को जो हम देखेंगे वो हमारा मंथ होगा सितंबर, राइट। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सितंबर मंथ की जो इम्पोर्टेंट जीके है, करंट जीके, उसे हम डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी स्टार्ट विद पर्सन इन न्यूज़। हमारा फर्स्ट सेक्शन है पर्सन इन न्यूज़। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। पद्म विभूषण अवार्ड विनिंग आर्टिस्ट, आर्किटेक्ट, स्कल्प्टर and writer Satish Gujral passed away. He was awarded by Padma Vibhushan in which year? 1999. Next, recently who has become the brand ambassador of IDFC First Bank? Amitabh Bachchan. Recently who has been appointed as chairman and managing director of Power Finance Corporation? Ravinder Singh Dhillon. A. Ajay Kumar appointed as a next High Commissioner of India to which country? Uganda. Next, former Indian footballer Abdul Latif has passed away. Recently, he worked as a key member of the trophy-winning team in which year? At Asian Games 1970. Former world champion Roger Mayweather passed away recently. He was related to which country? USA. Who Sung Song was appointed as a president of which of the company recently? Kia Motors. Javier Praise D. Kluler has passed away recently. He worked as former Secretary General of United Nations. Recently, Carmen Reinhardt has been appointed as its new vice president and chief economist of which organization? World Bank. Recently, National Anti-Doping Agency lifted the one-year ban imposed on which Indian boxer? Sumit Sangwan. Recently, who has assumed additional charge as a chairman and managing director of Metals and Minerals Trading Corporation Limited? Sudhanshu Pandey. Recently, who has become the third woman Lieutenant General of India? Madhuri Kanetkar. Recently, who has been appointed as a chairman and managing director of Housing and Urban Development Corporation HUDCO? Shivdas Meena. Next section start with awards. Sunil Gurbakshani has appointed as a managing director and CEO of which bank for a period of 3 years? Feature photography. Recently, who has won the 7th Dr. M.S. Swaminathan Award for the period of 2017 to 2019? V. Parveen Rao. Recently, who has become the first Indian to win Fed Up Cup Heart Award 2020 for Asian Oceania Zone? Sania Mirza. Recently, who has been awarded by the Alexander Dalrymple Award 2019? Vinay Bhadwar. Next, recently who has been honored with the Young Career Award in Nanoscience and Technology for a 2020? Surab Lodha. Recently who has won the Hindu Prize 2019 in Non-Fiction? Shantanu Das. Who is the winner of the 2020 Penn Hemingway Award for debut novel A Prayer for Travel? Ruchika Tomar. Who will be the conferred with Swami Vivekanand Karmyogi Award for his efforts in creating a man-made forest through the reforestation? Jadav Piang. Next, scheme and launches. Recently, which state government has launched a new scheme called Dhanvantri for Home Delivery Medicine? Assam. Government's Pan-India Agriculture Trading Portal e-Naam has completed how many years of implementation on April 14, 2024? Recently, Jagnan Vasti Divna scheme has been launched by which state? Andhra Pradesh. Recently, Atal Pension Yojana has completed 5 years of its implementation on which date? 9th May. Recently, the central government has launched a scheme for complete solar ration of the temple, Konank's Sun Temple. Next, recently, which state government has Mukaya Mantri Sahasri Rozgar Guarantee Yojana, guaranteeing at least 120 days of employment to people living in urban areas, Himachal Pradesh. Mukhyamantri Shahri Rozgar Guarantee Yojana. Recently, which state government has begun the third phase of its Suzlam Suflam Jal Sanchay Abhiyan scheme, Gujarat? Recently, which state government has introduced two schemes, CMAST and CMAT, to benefit the sport person and artist in the state, Manipur? Recently, which state government has launched Martyr Smriti scheme to utilize 50,000 acre of barren land in 6 districts, West Bengal? Recently, which state government has launched Annapurna Supply Mitra portal for citizen food needs, Uttar Pradesh? Recently, which state government has launched the Jeevan Shakti Yojana for the women, Madhya Pradesh? Recently, which state government has launched the Jangarna Jagna Vidya Divana scheme in order to provide 100% fee reimbursement to all students across the state, Andhra Pradesh? Next section is national state news. Recently, which state government has launched COVAS, a mobile application to address all the COVID-19 related issues, Assam? Recently, which state government has launched Charan Paduka companion for the migrant laborers moving through the state, Madhya Pradesh? Which of the national park has become the Indian first national park to quarantine faculty for the animals, Jim Corbett National Park? Indian Air Force has signed a MOU with which university of establish a chair of excellence, Savitri Bai Phule University? Namaste Orsha festival is celebrated in which state, Madhya Pradesh? Under which act Government of India has declared hand sanitizer and mask are essential commodities, Act 1955? According to the study by the Internet and Mobile Association of India titled Digital in India, which state UT topped a highest internet penetration rate among all states of India? Delhi. After successfully test which is nuclear missile, every year National Technology Day is celebrated on 11th May across India, Shakti First. Arunachal Pradesh has celebrated its 34th statehood day on 20th February. Who is the governor of Arunachal Pradesh? B.D. Mishra. Border Roads Organization has constructed 430 feet long Baile Daprozio Bridge over which river in the Arunachal Pradesh, Subhanshri River? Government of India has declared National Chambal Sanctuary as eco-sensitive zone. Recently, it is situated in the which state, Madhya Pradesh? How much financial package was announced by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 12th May to deal with the coronavirus pandemic? Rupees 20 lakh crore. In which city the Antarrashtriya Yog Mahotsav was inaugurated? Rishikesh. In which city the joint ministerial commission between India and Australia was held recently? New Delhi. Indian Navy has installed quarantine facility in which city recently? Vishakhapatnam. Indian Railway has launched its first restaurant on wheel at the circulating area of which railway station recently? Asansol, West Bengal. Indian Railway South Central Railway SCR zone has become the first zone railway in the country to have functional energy neutral railway station on the network, where the headquarters of the South Central Railway is located, Sikandrabad. Maharashtra Cabinet approved the proposal to rename the Mumbai Central Station to the name of Nana Sankar Seth. Recently, Geographical Indications Registry has given the geographical indication tag to saffron of which region? Kashmir. Recently, how much amount was announced by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman for the Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund? 15,000 crore. Recently, how much funds was released by NABARD for Kharif and pre-monsoon operations? 20,500 crores. Recently, the government has announced how much amount to support micro food enterprises under the Atmanirbhar Bharat economic package 10,000 crore. Next section, international current news. Hyderabad-based Indian Immunological Limited has a partner with the Griffith University to develop the COVID-19 vaccine. Griffith University is situated in which country? Australia. Recently, Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India has collaborated with which organization for developing a digital communication strategy for promoting a digital companion for self-help groups, UNICEF. Indian will construct 3 school buildings in which country as per the MOU signed in March 16, 2020, Nepal. 7th World City Summit will be held in the which country in July 2020, Singapore. According to the report of World Health Organization, what is the rank of India at Child Flourishing Index 2020? 131st. According to the report of World Population Review, what is the rank of India in the largest economy of the world list? 5th. Dwight D. Eisenhower was the first president of the USA who visited India. What is the number of President Donald Trump visited into? 6th. How many agreements were exchanged between the India and Myanmar during the visit of Myanmar President U Win Myint? 10. How much fund was allocated South Asian Association for the Regional Cooperation Development for COVID-19 related project in its member states? $5 million. In which city in 19th edition of World Productivity Congress will be held? Bengaluru. In which country the 9th Defense and Security Expert Working Group meeting of Shanghai Cooperation Organization was held? Pakistan. Muhammad Hosni Mubarak passed away recently. He had served as the president of which among the following country? Egypt. Recently, Global Humanitarian Response Plan was launched by the which organization to fight against COVID-19? United Nations. Recently, how much amount has been announced by China to provide over 2 years to fight the coronavirus pandemic at WHO Assembly? $2 billion. Recently, which country has become the world's first dark sky country? Niue. Next, the section is financial awareness GK. Recently, SIDBI has offered how much amount has the emergency working capital to micro, small and medium enterprises manufacturing essential items? 1 crore. Recently, how much amount of loan was sanctioned by New Development Bank to India to fight COVID-19? $1 billion. Vineet Arora was appointed as a new managing director and chief executive officer of which of the insurance company recently? Paytm General Insurance. Recently, which payment bank has a partnered with Visa to issue Visa debit card? Paytm Payment Banks. Economist Intelligence Unit released the Inclusive Internet Index. What is the India's rank in Inclusive Internet Index 2020? 46th. How much amount has been sanctioned by the Asian Development Bank to India to help in the fight against the coronavirus pandemic? $1.5 billion. How much amount was approved by the World Bank to Coastal Resources of India recently? $400 million. How much fund was announced by the world's largest streaming media service, Netflix, Inflexo, the formation of fund for film and TV workers? $100 million. India has ranked 120th in Economic Freedom Index 2020. Which country has topped Singapore? Recently, Birupcha Mishra has taken charge as the executive director of the which of the bank? Union Bank of India. Recently, how much amount was announced by Asian Development Bank to invest in National Investment and Infrastructure Fund? $100 million. Recently, how much amount was announced by the Reserve Bank of India to the Special Liquidity Facility for Mutual Funds? 50,000 crores. Recently, how much amount was approved by World Bank to India to accelerate COVID-19 social protection response program? $1 billion. Recently, how much loans has been approved by Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank to support India's effort to fight the coronavirus pandemic? $500 million. Recently, Sumant Kathpilia has taken charge as a CEO and MD of which bank? Indus Bank. Next section start with sport news. Tony Lewis, one of the men behind the Duckworth-Lewis turn method, has passed away recently. This method was approved by ICC in which year? 1999. 2021 Junior Men's Hockey World Cup will be held in which country? India. Bhavna Jat qualified for the 2020 Olympics. She is related to which sport? Athletics. Former Test spinner Stephen O'Keefe has retired from the first class cricket after being omitted from New South Wales list. He is related to which country? Australia. Former world snooker champion Peter Ebdon has announced his retirement from professional snooker. He is related to which country? England. PK Banerjee has passed away recently. He was what? Footballer. Recently, cyclist Remy D. Giorgio has been banned for 4 years by the International Cycling Union. He is related to which country? France. Recently, the Badminton World Champion 2020 has been postponed to November 2021. It has been scheduled to be held in which country? Spain. Recently, which batsman has won the Sir Richard Headley Medal as New Zealand Cricket Player of the Year? Ross Taylor. Recently, which Pakistani women's keeper has announced retirement from the international cricket? Sania Mir. Recently, which team has won the Ranji Trophy title? Saurashtra. Next section is science and technology news. In order to boost immunity during the pandemic, spirulina groundnut chicky has been developed by the Central Food Technological Research Institute. Where is the Central Food Technological Research Institute situated? Mysore, Karnataka. In which city portable multi-feed oxygen manifold has been designed recently? Vishakhapatnam. In which city the International Conference on Nanoscience and Nanotechnology was held? Kolkata. Recently, Indian herpetologists have discovered new species of viper family at which tiger reserve? Paki Tiger Reserve. Recently, which country has developed I Feel You bracelet for social distancing? Italy. Recently, which country has successfully launched its first ever military satellite named Noor into the orbit? Iran. Recently, which IIT has developed a digital stethoscope called IuSync to check patients who are infected with COVID-19? IIT Bombay. Recently, which IIT has developed low-cost portable ventilator? IIT Kanpur. Recently, which IIT has developed mobile app named Quarantine? IIT Bombay. Recently, which institute has developed a mobile app named Wash Karo to burn out COVID-19? IIT Delhi. Next, miscellaneous news. A book titled Shuttling to the Top, The Story of PV Sindhu was released recently. Who is the author of this book? V. Krishnaswamy. The theme of the World Hemophilia Day 2020 is Get Positive Involved. It is observed every year on the which date? 17th April. World Heritage Day is celebrated every year on which date? 80th April. In Extraordinary Life is a biography of which personality, which is co-authored by the veteran journalist Sadhguru Patil and Mayabhushan Navenkar Manohar Parikar. Every year, International Nurse Day is observed at the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale on which date? 12th May. Every year, World Water Day is celebrated on the March 22. What is the theme of the World Water Day 2020? Water and climate change. Recently, the book titled The Death of the Jesus was released. Who is the author of this book? J.M. Coetzee. Recently, which institute has developed first indigenous ELISA test kit for COVID-19? National Institute of Virology. Recently, who has released a comic book titled The Adventure of the Daredevil Democrat? Naveen Patnaik. The theme of the World Autism Awareness Day 2020 is the tradition of the adulthood. It is celebrated every year on which date? 2nd April. Next section is designation. Who is who? First is Chairman Rajya Sabha Venkaiah Naidu, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, Chairman of Niti Aayog Narendra Das Modi, Leader of Opposition in Rajya Sabha Ghulam Nabi Azad, Leader of House in Lok Sabha Narendra Das Modi, Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha none, Chief Election Commissioner Sunil Arora, Election Commissioner Ashok Lavasa Sushil Chandra, Director General of IDPP S.S. Deshwal, Chief Vigilance Commissioner Sanjay Kothari, Foreign Secretary Harsh Vardhan Singh Shringla, Comptroller and Auditor General of India G.C. Murmu, Director Director of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center S. Somanath, Chairman of Telecom Regulatory Authority of India TRAI R.S. Sharma, CBI Director Rishi Kumar Shukla, Chairman of National Commission of Scheduled Tribes Nand Kumar Sai, Chairperson of National Commission for Minorities Syed Gayarul Hassan Razvi, Chairman of UPSC Pradeep Kumar Joshi, Chairman of Director General of National Investigation Agency NIA YC Modi, Chairman of Space Commission and ISRO K. Sivan, Chairman of Atomic Energy Commission and Secretary Department of Atomic Energy K. N. Vyas, Chairman of SSC Brajraj Sharma, Chairman of National Human Rights Commission Justice H.L. Dutt, Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India Vivek Joshi, Chairman of Central Board of Direct Taxes Pramod Chandra Modi, Chairman of Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India Subhash Chandra Kutania, Chairperson of Security and Exchange Board of India Ajay Tyagi, Chairperson of State Bank of India Rajneesh Kumar, India's permanent representative in UNO T.S. Trimurti, Home Secretary of India Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Chairperson of National Commission for Women Rekha Sharma, Chairman of 5th Finance Commission N.K. Singh, Chairperson of Competition Commission of India Ashok Kumar Gupta, Chairperson of Central Board of Film Certification Prashun Joshi, President of ASSOCHAM Niranjan Hardani, Chairman of NASSOCHAM UB Praveen Rao, Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat, Chief of Air Staff Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadauria, Chief of Naval Staff Admiral Karamveer Singh, Chief of Army Staff General Manoj Mukund Narvane, Chief of RAW Samant Goyal, Director of Bhava Atomic Research Center A.K. Mohanty, National Commission for Scheduled Caste Ram Shankar Kataria, President of FICCI Sangeeta Reddy, Chairperson of 21st Law of Commission Dr. Justice B.S. Chauhan, National Security of Advisor Ajit Doval, Chairperson of Prasar Bharati Dr. A. Surya Prakash, DG of National Testing Agency Vineet Joshi, Finance Secretary Ajay Bhushan Pandey, and lastly Chairman of Indian Banks Association Rajneesh Kumar. राइट, तो ये सारे जो अपडेट है हमारे 17 अगस्त 2020 तक है. नेक्स्ट बात करते हैं एब्रीवेशंस. EFT TPOS इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फंड ट्रांसफ़र एट पॉइंट ऑफ सेल. डाटा DTAA डबल टैक्सेशन अवॉइडेंस एग्रीमेंट. ICRA इन्वेस्टमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन एंड क्रेडिट क्रिएटिंग एजेंसी. VPA वर्चुअल पेमेंट एड्रेस. DSCR डेबिट सर्विस कवरेज रेशो. KYC खादी एंड विलेज. KVIC खादी एंड विलेज इंडस्ट्री कॉरपोरेशन. IMT इंस्टेंट मनी ट्रांसफ़र. DRAT डेबिट रिकवरी एप्लिएंट ट्राइब्यूनल. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट डेट्स एंड डे एंड डेट्स. September 5th September Teachers Day. 8th September International Literacy Day. 14th September Hindi Day. 15th September Engineer Day. 16th September World Ozone Day. 21st September World Alzheimer Day. 27th September World Tourism Day. And last 29th September World Heart Day. Thank you so much. Please share and like my videos. Thank you so much.